What if your pain system has become too protective? And what if you could gradually teach it that your body is safer than it thinks? You cannot simply command your brain to stop producing pain, but you may be able to help it change its prediction. In the previous episodes, we discovered two important things. Pain is created by the brain, and the brain creates it because it believes protection is necessary, but sometimes that protection continues even after the original danger has decreased. The nervous system may remain alert. It may react strongly to movement, to tension, to stress, or even to the expectation of pain. The brain begins to predict danger before anything harmful has actually happened. So how do we change that prediction? Main part. The answer is not forcing the body, and it is not ignoring pain. The goal is to gradually give the brain new evidence of safety. Imagine that bending forward causes pain. After several painful experiences, your brain may begin to associate that movement with danger. Eventually, simply thinking about bending forward may create tension and fear. Avoiding the movement completely can sometimes reinforce the message, this movement must be dangerous, but forcing yourself through severe pain can send the opposite message. I was right. This is a threat. The solution is often somewhere in between, a small movement, performed slowly, with control, inside a tolerable range, then repeated consistently. Each safe experience gives the brain new information. I moved and nothing terrible happened. This process is gradual. The nervous system learns through repetition, not through one perfect session. Movement can help, but movement is only one part of the message. Sleep can influence how sensitive the system feels. Stress can increase its level of alertness. Breathing can change the signals of safety or threat inside the body. Knowledge can also help. When you understand that pain does not always equal damage, you may become less afraid of every sensation, and reducing fear can change how the brain interprets those sensations. The goal is not to convince yourself that the pain is imaginary. The pain is real, but real pain does not always mean that your body is being damaged at that moment. It may mean that your protection system has become too sensitive. Practical framework. So remember these three ideas. First, understand the signal. Pain is information, but it is not always a precise measurement of damage. Second, create safe experiences. Use gradual, controlled movement instead of complete avoidance or aggressive forcing. Third, repeat the evidence. The brain needs consistency before it changes its expectations. You are not fighting your nervous system, you are teaching it. But there is still one major problem. Many people try to move again, and the moment they feel pain, they become afraid. That fear immediately tells the brain, we are still in danger. So how can fear amplify physical pain? And how do you break the cycle between pain, fear, and avoidance? That is exactly what we will explore in the next episode. See you there.